Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 7 and this is the last part, that is part C biology, part 3 key answer. In the previous video, we have answered all the questions related to chemistry, part B, now part C biology. Let us see, this is the ninth main. So let us see the first question of biology, that is 15th question. So the 15th question is dash protects the inner lining of the stomach from HCl. Villi, mucus, bile duct, pepsin. So among these four, the right answer is mucus. So mucus will protect the inner lining of the stomach from HCl. It acts like a protective layer which protects the inner lining of the stomach. Then let us move for the next question. That is question number 16. An enzyme that acts in alkaline medium is trypsin, pepsin, lipase, salivary amylase. Among these four options, the right option is trypsin. So trypsin is an enzyme which acts in alkaline medium. So the right answer for 16th question is, that is here, this is option B and this is option A, that is trypsin. So now let us move for the 10th main, that is question number 17. So what is the question number 17? So the question number 17 is why the rate of breathing is much faster in aquatic animals than that of the terrestrial animals. So in aquatic animals the breathing rate will be more when compared to terrestrial animal. So they asked what is the reason. So now let us write, because the amount of dissolved oxygen present in water is less when compared to amount of oxygen present in the atmosphere. So this is the answer for 17th question, that is 10th main 17th question. Now let us move for the 18th question. So now why are the organs which absorbs oxygen placed inside the body in terrestrial organism? So why are the organs which absorbs oxygen placed inside the body in terrestrial organism? So for this question we have to write mainly two reasons. So let us write the first reason. So ಮೊದಲನೇ reason ಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the first reason, because it increases the area of absorption of oxygen. This is one. If the lungs is inside our body. So why the lungs is inside our body? Because as it is inside our body, it increases the area of absorption of oxygen. And second one is, it is fine and delicate. It is andre lungs anta tagondre, it is fine and delicate. Since it is fine and delicate, it is present inside our body. So like this we have to answer 18th question. So in that 11th main, this one in 11th main. So one more question is there, that is a 19th question. So let us answer the 19th question. So differentiate between arteries and veins. So let us differentiate between arteries and veins. So let us answer the 19th question. Let us differentiate between arteries and veins. So first difference between arteries and veins is, arteries, that means it means artery. Arteries, it carry oxygenated blood from heart. to various parts of our body. From heart to various parts of our body. Then veins, it carry deoxygenated blood, the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide, from various parts to heart. Then the second difference is that it has thick and elastic walls. It has thin and elastic walls. Then the third difference is that pulmonary artery will carry deoxygenated blood. Then pulmonary vein will carry oxygenated blood. Next, the difference between arteries and vein. The fourth difference between them is it does not have valves. It has valves. So these are the differences between arteries and veins. Now let us move for the next question, that is 12th main. What is translocation and how translocation occur in plants? So let us answer both the question. So first let us see what is, this is 12th main and it is 20th question. So A, what is translocation? So what is translocation? The process of transport of soluble product of photosynthesis. The process of transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called as translocation. So in that big question is there, how translocation occur in plants. So let us write in point wise. The first point is that the food produced in leaves will be in the form of sucrose. So the food that produced in the leaves will be in the form of the sucrose. This is the first point. The second point is that, so second point ke barana, sucrose will move from leaves to companion cells by using some ATP of energy. Next, companion cells associated with sieve tubes. Companion cells associated with sieve tubes from companion cells, food moves into sieve tubes. At the same time, water from xylem will move into sieve tubes. Due to osmotic pressure, due to osmotic pressure in sieve tubes, food moves both in upward and downward direction. Like this, the food prepared in leaves will be carried both in upward as well as in downward direction. So now let us move for the last mean, that is 13th mean. Let us see the first question of 13th mean. So write any two differences between xylem and phloem. Then in that sub question, draw a neat label diagram of opening and closing of stomata. So open and closed stomata we have to write down. So first in the 21st question, so that is A. So A question they asked, write the difference between xylem and phloem. So let us differentiate between xylem and phloem. So any two differences between xylem and phloem. So let us differentiate between xylem and phloem. The first difference is that it is a water conducting tissue. It is a water conducting tissue. Then this side it is a food conducting tissue. Xylem is a water conducting tissue and phloem is a food conducting tissue. This is the first difference. So water moves only in upward direction. Water moves only in upward direction. Then this side, food moves both in upward and downward direction. Food moves in both upward and downward direction. So these are the two differences between xylem and phloem. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to Part C Biology of practice paper number 7. So by this practice paper number 7 it will be completed. So in the next video we are going to answer for practice paper number 8. So that will be answered in the next class. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Still those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. So those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.